Today, we'll create a Facebook group. We'll also see how you can easily administer and moderate a Facebook group. My name is Vince and welcome to Actionable User, whereby we help you become more actionable when using Facebook. Let's get started. I'm in Facebook right now and I'll first of all start by looking for the main menu. And as a word of caution, remember that the main menu may look different depending on the version of Facebook that you're on. Mine is in the top right, so I'll click on the three lines here. Then I'll look for groups, so I'll tap here. Then here I see all the groups that I'm a member of. I'll now click on the plus icon beside the label written create a group. Then I'm being told to write a group name. I'll quickly write the group name here. Then I need to choose privacy. So I'll click on this drop down. Here I have two choices. One of them is public, another one is private. For public groups, anyone in this world can see the members and can see what is being posted in that group. And for private groups, it's only members. And for private groups, you have the ability to vet people and decide who to allow and who not to. So since this is a neighborhood watch group, I'll restrict it to private. I'll now click on create group. Then it's creating. Facebook has suggested a list of people, so you can invite a specific person by clicking on the invite here. Also, if you'd like to invite a specific person, you can just come here to search for people. Then you can search a particular name. So upon searching for John, I can click on the particular John that I want to invite. We can click on next and continue. Now I need to add a cover photo to make my group stand out and easily noticeable. So I'll click on this edit. Then I need to upload a photo. Select that one. Then here's my photo. Then save. Then I'll now click on next as my photo is being uploaded. So now I'm being told to add a description and I'll quickly type in my description. There's my description. So now I'll click on next. Then I'm told that I can create my first post. So I'll write something like welcome all. Then I can now click on post. Click on done here at the bottom. So now our group is live and you're the administrator and you can do multiple things. Would you like to know how you can easily download reels and videos from Facebook? Find the video linked in the description box below. Subscribe to this channel, like this video and share it with your friends. And if I forgot something, let me know in the comments and I'll address it. And guys, I'll see you on the next video. Bye.